This is how you manage a digital sales team and scale it to 6 figures plus per month. There's 3 tasks that you want to be doing every day. Number 1, a morning huddle. Number 2, game time management. And number 3, end of day huddle. So this is how the morning huddle works. It's the morning meet before you get into production. You're gonna start with 1 minute of virtual cardio, jumping jacks, stretch, get the blood flowing. You're also gonna send out a video that everybody reviews before the huddle starts. Next, you're gonna highlight the wins from the day before, and then we're gonna get into drills. So we're gonna warm up with sales drills to get everybody ready for production. Now that we're ready for the day, we're gonna get into daytime management. This is what you're doing throughout the day while the closers and the setters are in the field and they're producing. So the first thing we're gonna do in game time production is making sure the best people are presenting the product or service to the customer. Never let a salesperson practice on the customer, never. Next, you gotta be living in the reports. Know all the data all day. Who has presentations, who has appointments, who's making calls, who's not working, who's moving. That leads us to the next focus of game time management. What is the data saying? Who are the individuals on the team that are killing it, and who are the people on the team that need a reset and a boost to get to the next level? During production, you need to be aware of it all. Finally, we're gonna have end of day huddles. This is to wrap up the entire day. We wanna broadcast daily stats. Who hit the targets? Who didn't? Did we win or did we lose? What worked and what didn't? And then we wrap up the day. This is exactly how we manage and scale our sales team, and you can implement these 3 processes to help your company scale and grow.